Hi, hello, good evening. My name is Mong. I'm working at the LiveGood company, American company, as a LiveGood brand ambassador. Actually, today I'm very happy and very excited. So I come to show something to you all what I have received today. Actually, uh, it's very exciting for me. Look, do you know this one? This evening I have received from the post office. The post office called me. You have a letter. Please come pick you up. Your letter. Actually, this is not letter. This is a MasterCard. I ordered it from the Global e-wallet, which is a partner of this LiveGood company. So I'll show you what I have, what to have in this email box. Okay. Please try to watch without cut off your video. Okay. So I hope you're very happy. Thank you. Yeah. Please. Okay. Wait. I'm unboxing now. Okay. I'm unboxing now.